Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes, I'm so excited for this recipe because my peeps uno say uno want more vegan vegetarian recipe from your girl. So here goes. We're gonna do some chickpeas, some curry chickpeas in coconut milk. Our rundown. Let's get into it, guys. I have lots of goodies over here. Not much, but lots of flavor into this thing. And I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons, 1, 2 of olive oil. That's good enough. And now my peeps, I have about 2 onions, and we're gonna put them over here. And we have some scallion or green onion. Put some of that. Oh my god, the flavor already. I'm gonna throw my frozen mixed vegetable, and I'm gonna throw in my bell peppers. You don't want to put the scotch bonnet pepper as yet, because when you fry up in oil and if so it's strong, oh my god, you're gonna burn your eye. So leave that for last, okay? Saute this goodness. Look at the color in it. Oh my goodness. Let's start off with about a teaspoon of garlic paste, a tablespoon of my blended seasoning. I will leave a link to that. A teaspoon of my garlic paste. This is a teaspoon of ginger paste. We're gonna mix that in. You can use the fresh garlic, but what I do, guys, I make the paste and it serves me longer. But you can use the fresh garlic. It's up to you. We're gonna add some salt. You can put about a teaspoon of salt or half. It's up to you. I have some curry. I'm not gonna do much today, so I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of curry. Maybe a teaspoon and a half of curry. I'm gonna put in half teaspoon, not much, half teaspoon of turmeric, and I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of paprika, and we're gonna stir that in. Some ghee masala, and I'm gonna put a little bit, about quarter teaspoon. You see the goodness here, guys? I have 1 can of cooked chickpeas, and we're gonna stir that in. Turn your stove down at this point, okay, guys? All right. I'm gonna put my scotch bonnet pepper. Hot, guys, hot. Ooh. Look at the goodness, guys. Ooh, yes. All right, now we're gonna pour some coconut milk. Okay, I have half can, and then I add about half cup of water to it. All right, but you can use the full can if you want. It's up to you. Look at that goodness. And I have 2 Maggi cube, if I can break them. Oh my god, they're tough, man. Oh yeah. I can't break it, guys. It's tough. Oof. Holy mackerel. I'm using 2 of them, guys. Oh, this one is easy. Oh yeah. A little bit of black pepper. And I'm gonna put few of these pimento greens. And you can taste it and add more salt if you want. All right. All right, my peeps. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. My spoon holder almost match up. Lots of colors. So look at this goodness, guys. This is what you want right here. You don't want it to burn. Turn down your stove. I will not add no more water to it, all right? This is it. And you see it? Almost ready. Now, optional. You don't have to put it, but I'm going to put some okra. My okra, this okra, guys, it's super soft. Super soft. But if your okra is really hard, put it in when you put in the chickpeas. All right? Can you see the goodness? Oh boy. All right, I'm just gonna turn down the stove, give it 5 minutes. No more water, just turn it down. 5 minutes to let it simmer, and we're good. All right, my peeps, this is it. It's all done. All right, guys, we're gonna serve up some. All right, my peeps, I have some white rice over here, and I'm gonna plate up some. I'm gonna scoop some in here. Hi, Sunny. Something like so. All right, now we're on to the rice. You see my rice shelly and nice, guys? Yes. I just put a little bit of olive oil, a little salt, and a little green onion or scallion. I have my measuring cup, guys. Don't follow me, okay? I'm gonna go in like that. All right. You can use anything of your choice. So just put that over there, and just get yourself a spoon or any cup. You can use anything of your choice, and you're gonna press that in. Once you press it in, it should be easy to come out. Okay, so that's what we're serving. Clean it up. All right, my peeps, I made a little dish. I have some vegetable here, some cucumber, some tomato, and lettuce, and I have my chickpeas bowl right there. And this is the rice. All right, so we're gonna plate it right here and pray say come out. Okay, guys, knock it out. So basically, guys, you have to knock it. Okay, just knock it until it comes out. Woo. Okay. And guys, this is the bowl I'm serving up, or this is the dish. To top it off, I have some parsley flakes. All right, and I'm just gonna dust a little bit. I'll make it look pretty a little bit like that, so your plate don't look all that white. All right, and that's it. And this is it. This is what I'm serving up. Woo! My bowl of curry chickpeas and coconut milk, and my fresh vegetable and some rice. Super healthy, vegan, vegetarian friendly. All right, my peeps, love upon me and I love upon you.